Okay, y'all. Alright, y'all. Okay, y'all. The trunk is full. Trunk is completely. Oh, look at this. Alright, y'all. It's fully packed. And we're going in. Can you do that by yourself? Okay, y'all. So I'm in my dorm. As y'all can see, they patched up that little thing that was there from the last person, whoever it was. I am back in my room, guys. Still got the same little view and whatnot. But yeah, I gotta start unpacking, and I need this. I don't think my bed is gonna be able to fit the other way. Let's move some stuff around. Let's see. Y'all, this is the other side because y'all never really like seen it or anything. Let me turn the light on. This is my roomie's side. Same thing. And then we just have this area. This sink. Oh look, a hot mess. And then we have the bathroom. And it don't make no noise anymore. Wow, it's crazy. So, yeah. Side. Yeah, they cleaned that up. Okay, baby. Okay, y'all, so this is what I have going on. It's a lot, but I'm coming back tomorrow. I put my clothes in the drawers already, and yeah, this is I'm taking these back home. I gotta bring some shoes, take the room back.
Wait a minute, this is empty.
I told you that was empty.
I knew it was something wrong right about that. I thought I took the fingers off of it.
So this, I gotta get the clear thing because I have one. They gotta come fix this. I'm gonna report that tomorrow. And I don't know if the fan is broken or not, but I need to report that too because last year it was working. Mom, what you gonna do with these towels? I don't like these just sitting up here like this. What you gonna do? Bunch them up? What you gonna do this?
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna bring my thread tomorrow. Bunch this one like this. Bunch this one like this. And then we'll put little decorative thing over there. How that look?
Okay. Let me, what's in this toilet? Let me brush it. I want to make sure everything ain't working though. Yeah, y'all look crazy. It's up here. And she bought this, but as y'all can see, there is no lid seat or whatever. So, yeah, get into it. Get into it. But yeah.
It have to be somewhere middle.
Okay, y'all. So, y'all, we got this picture in Hobby Lobby. Y'all see the car? Don't worry. Y'all see Coda. Baby, yeah, y'all. So I'm back at the dorm. People get on and off the elevator. Okay, so I just got to my dorm. I wanted to show y'all what's been going on. So I got this. A little bit of stuff over here on my side. Got the rugs. This going on picture. Super cute, actually. Where's this? Move this out the way. Super cute. Those need to be hung up, but I don't have any other things. My roommate's still not here. I gotta tell them that the fan is not working in the bathroom. And this is falling off. So yeah. my room. Still a lot of stuff in here, guys. But I feel like it's a lot more space in here. But yeah. So now I'm fixing to start cleaning up some of this stuff because it needs to be. Yeah. I can see got that going on. Pull this out so I can walk over here. And then y'all can see. Y'all can see, yeah. Anyways, I'm talking y'all later once I like get somewhere. Okay, y'all. So y'all, y'all probably can't hear me because of the fan, but it's hot, so I gotta keep it on. But it's currently 3:18. It's August the 21st, and I'm still in my dorm trying to get it together, y'all. One of my friends bought me this for my birthday. If y'all know, my birthday is in January. So yeah, this is really nice. And I'm checking it out now because I'm gonna be doing makeup this year, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna work when I get finished. I'm all about some food, y'all. Some Jamaican.
They said Jamaican mac and cheese. Oh my god.
Okay, y'all, here's the room so far today. She just said she wants her.
She said yes, one, okay.
And I'll give y'all like a dorm tour. Is it all good? I'll give y'all like a dorm tour when my room finish.